Good morning, dear students. A warm welcome to all of you for our today's digital session for the subject Science and Technology Section B. Yesterday, we have fully completed with the discussion of textual exercise and additional questions for chapter number 9, Environmental Management. Today, as decided, we are going to mark the reduction in syllabus which we have got due to the pandemic. So, through the live session, I have given for chapter number 1 to 7, but still many of the students were absent at that time. So, they should not miss out this very important thing, and that's why we are going to mark the reduction in syllabus chapter wise from chapter number 1 to 11 in our today's session. Why from 1 to 11? Because whichever chapters are there for your first term, that much reduction I will give you in marking first. After the first term gets over, the next number of chapters which are there for your second term, that marking I will give you after the Diwali vacation. So work will also be easier for you and you will also not get confused. Before that, within the first 5 minutes, we will just complete the activities for chapter number 9. So I request all of you to be present with textbooks and a pencil. So we start with the activities for chapter number 9. As I have told you, for this chapter many of the things they have removed from the syllabus. So hardly 5 to 6 activities I have picked up that we are going to discuss. So the first activity is on page number 96. So I request all of you refer page number 96. Can you recall? The first question is, how does the atmosphere affect our daily life? Now here the points which I have selected, that I have searched on the Google Net. Any other point which you feel relevant for this answer, you can write over there. Atmosphere, how it plays an important role in our daily life. Here the first point is, by protecting us from the harmful ultraviolet solar radiation. You know how the layer of the atmosphere, it protects us from the direct exposure to the UV rays. Next is, it warms our planet Earth and keeps the temperatures habitable for our living Earth. You know, if the temperature range goes beyond a certain limit or falls down, then the living things will vanish from this planet, which is prevented by this atmosphere. It helps to sustain life on the earth by providing oxygen for animals and man and carbon dioxide to the plants. We survive on this planet earth, we, animals, birds, because of the availability of oxygen which is made available to us by the atmosphere, and also at the same time it takes care that the plants get the required amount of carbon dioxide gas. So these are the different points in which the atmosphere affects our daily life. Any other point you can add on your own. Number 2, same page. Can you recall? Forecasts about which weather related factors are given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan and Akashvani. You know, previously also Doordarshan was the only channel which was conveying the news. So with which weather forecasts are mentioned during the news bulletin? So different, you can give the names. Here I have mentioned some of the names: rain, snowfall, temperature, etc. Any other about the cloudy weather and all, any 2 to 3 names you can mention. With this we complete with the activities on page number 96. Now we move to the next activity on page number 99. Page number 99, towards the bottom of the page you can see, can you tell, only the first activity I am picking up over there, what is meant by pollution? Very simple. You know, the addition of any harmful things in the environment, spoiling its quality, is known as pollution. So in your own words, presence of harmful substances in the air, land and water which can have an adverse effect on living beings and on the environment is pollution. This is also a definition which I have taken from the social media, from the net. Any other relevant definition for pollution you can mention over here. Second question you can see over there. Can you tell in which different ways do our surroundings get polluted? No need of writing this answer. You know how the land gets polluted, how soil gets polluted, how air gets polluted. So such a big answer we will not make you write. So the next activity. What is meant by solid waste? Now this question you will find on page number 100. Page number 100. Again the heading is, can you tell what is meant by solid waste? Simple. The answer is there only on the same page. You can see on the same page 2 yellow blocks are there. Above the yellow blocks, the paragraph which you have, that contains the answer. Waste materials which are generated through the various daily human activities is called solid waste. The daily human activities which are carried out in the kitchen, in the industries, in the schools, in the factories. So the different human activities they produce, they generate different types of waste which is known as solid waste. Next question on the same page, page number 100. Can you tell what are the different things included in solid waste? Very simple. The answer for it is on page number 101. 101, you can see that table, the classification of waste and source. Although that table is removed out from the syllabus, the names of the waste you can take. Domestic waste, industrial waste, hazardous waste, farm or the garden waste, electronic waste, biomedical. Now all these names, mentioning of all of them is not necessary. Any 4 to 5 names you can mention. So these are the different things which are included in solid waste. Or you can write the names of the things also. You can write industrial waste like chemicals, domestic waste like kitchen waste in the form of spoiled food, fruits, electronic waste in the form of, you can write the non-functional TV sets, music systems. So these examples also you can mention over here. The next activity is on page number 101. Last, towards the end of the page, you can see use your brain power. Why is it necessary to recycle non-degradable waste? You know, non-degradable waste means this is the type of waste which is not easily degraded and it requires a very long period of time. So that is the main reason. So your first point, non-degradable waste such as plastic, metal, etc. cannot be easily degraded because it takes a very long period of time and the use of various techniques. Hence, they should be recycled. They have asked us why we should recycle. First reason is that it is not easily degraded and requires very large amount of techniques for their degradation. Hence, they should be recycled so that they will not get accumulated in the environment and prove harmful to the earth. You know, if this non-degradable waste heaps up or piles up on the planet earth, then it will take a very long amount of time for degradation, and if you are not recycling them and allowing them to accumulate, what will happen? It will prove very, very harmful to the earth. Next question on the same page, page number 101, last activity for this chapter. Which materials are included in solid dry waste? Plastic, paper, metals, cardboard, thermocol. The dry wastes, the examples of dry waste you can include as the answer over here. I hope you have followed which activities you have to write in your notebook. Page number 96, 1 and 2, can you recall? Then page number 99, can you tell first question? Then page number 100, you have, can you tell both the questions? And page number 101, you have both this, use your brain power. So this much activities from this chapter you have to write in your notebook. Now without wasting your time, we will start with the marking of reduction in syllabus. Those who have attended the live session will just reconfirm whether you have marked, whatever you have marked is correct. Those who are absent, please take it very seriously and start with the marking. Page wise I will give you the marking. So we start with chapter number 1, laws of motion, page number 1. The first reduction is on page number 1. can you tell, let's try this and think about it. All the three you have to cancel. Can you tell on the top in which of the following examples, or that 4 examples? Then let's try this. 1 and 2, measure the distance between the points A and B. Now measure the distance that both and think about it. On that page you can see 2 think about it are there. The last one towards the end, Sheetal first went to her friend Sangeeta's house. That think about it activity you have to remove. The think about it activity in the center, you will not remove it. I hope you have followed. Page number 1, can you tell, let's try this and think about it. Towards the end, that activity you have to remove. Page number 2, on the top you have use your brain power. 2 questions, remove that. And towards the end of the page you have a green block. Always remember the 3 points are there, units of speed and velocity. That block you have to remove. I will give you the headings. You have to search properly. At times I will tell you which colored block it is. So mark and remove the syllabus correctly. Don't be in a hurry. Use your brain power both the questions, and always remember green colored block towards the end both you have to remove. Page number 3, towards the end of the page you have a very small block. Always remember, remove that. The first scientist to measure the speed, that block. 3 lines are there. Remove that block. Page number 4, towards the end of the page you have an activity. Let's try this. Take a 1 meter long plastic tube and all that 6 points. Remove that activity. Page number 4, towards the end you have the activity. Let's try this. Remove that activity. Page number 5, on the top you have a yellow colored block. Use your brain power. 2 points are there. Remove that block. Page number 5, use your brain power. On the top you have the yellow colored block. Remove that block. Page number 6 and 7, page number 6 you have a small reduction. On the top you have a block. Use your brain power. Remove it. Page number 6, on the top you have a small yellow colored block. Use your brain power. Remove it. Page number 7, there is no reduction. Page number 8, there is no reduction. Page number 9, towards the end you have a reduction. Let's try this. Remove that activity. And below that the paragraph, the speed of the tip of the clock, that paragraph also will be removed. Page number 10, on the top you have the activity. Try out and think about it. Remove all the 5 points along with the diagram 1.10. Changes in direction. All that 5 points, that activity and the diagram you have to remove. So you have to start studying from that paragraph. When an object is moving with a circular speed, that part is there. I hope you have followed. Page number 10, on the top you have try out and think about it. All the 5 points along with diagram 1.10 you have to remove. Page number 11, you have a jackpot over here. All the solved examples on that page you have to remove. Solved example number 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the solved examples you have to remove it out. Even though all these topics I have taught to you, now nothing will be asked from these topics in your exams. So on page number 11, only the first small paragraph which is there on the top about the coin, that paragraph you have to study. All other part you have to remove. Turn your page. Page number 12, there is no reduction. Page number 13, on the top you have an activity. Let's try this. A and B along with two questions. You remove all that. Page number 13, on the top you have an activity. Let's try this. A and B, remove that. Page number 14, you have to remove use your brain power. The question is, why is there a thick bed of sand? That activity you have to remove. Below that, let's try this. Both the questions you have to remove. Take a plastic boat. That activity you have to remove. And towards the end again you have a blue colored block. Use your brain power. Remove all that. So on page number 14, both the use your brain power and let's try this. All 3 activities should be removed. Page number 15, page number 15, there is no reduction. Page number 16, there is no reduction. 17 also no reduction. So now we come to the next chapter, chapter number 2, work and energy. Page number 18, towards the end, remove the activity, use your brain power, yellow colored block. Page number 18, towards the end you have the activity use your brain power, yellow colored block you have to remove. Page number 19, there is no reduction. Page number 20, below the yellow box you have an activity, think before you answer. 5 questions are there, remove all the 5 questions. That entire activity you remove. Page number 20, you have the activity think before you answer. All the 5 questions you have to remove. Page number 21, entire page should be removed. That try this activity along with all that questions, diagrams, everything. Towards the end you have institutes at work, lavender colored block, that also you remove. Only you can see one small block is remaining. Suppose an artificial satellite is moving around the earth, that part you don't remove, and as such nothing will be asked on that part. So nothing you have to study on page number 21. Try this and institutes at work, both these things on that page are removed. Page number 22, there is no reduction. Page number 23, towards the end you have an activity use your brain power, remove it. The mass of a moving body, remove that activity. Page number 24, remove the activity on the top, try this. 3 questions are there, remove that activity. Page number 25, towards the end you have try this, remove that activity. Make 2 pendulums of the same length, that activity along with the answer below it. Everything you have to remove. Because for this try this activity, below that you have the answer. Tie the 2 pendulums and also along with that activity, that both the paragraphs on page number 25 also you have to remove. Page number 26, there is no reduction. Page number 27, towards the end you have a yellow block, an introduction to scientists, remove that block, about James Watt. I hope for chapter number 2 you have got all the reduction. Page number 29, towards the end of the textual exercise. Page number 29, towards the end of the textual exercise you have a pink colored activity project. Study the various instances of the, remove that project. Move to chapter number 3, current electricity. Page number 3030, towards the end of the page, below the heading potential and potential difference you have an activity, try this. You remove everything up to the 3 questions. What happens when the clamp is removed, does the water, all that 3 questions also you have to remove. Page number 31, there is no reduction. Page number 32 and 33 I have mentioned together. So on page number 32, on the top you have an introduction to scientist about Volta, Alessandro Volta, remove that. An introduction to scientist block is there on page number 32, on the top, remove it. Below that you have do you know block, yellow colored, remove both the sides. On page number 33, center of the page you have do you know, along with that Andre Ampère's photo, remove that entire block on page number 33. I hope you have followed on page number 32 and 33. On 32 you have to remove an introduction to scientist on the top, the information about Alessandro Volta, and below that you have the conversions, do you know, remove that. Page number 33, in the center you have do you know, remove that. Page number 34, towards the end you have the introduction of scientist George Ohm, pink colored block, remove that block along with that photo. And on this page you can see near Ohm's law you have that green colored small block, physical state of a conductor means, remove that block. So on page number 34 there are 2 reductions. One is towards the end, introduction to scientist about George Ohm, and on the top that small green colored block. Page number 35, on the top you have to remove think about it, yellow colored. How will you prove that the unit of resistivity is ohm meter, remove that. And towards the end you have observe about that bulbs and all, remove that entire activity. Page number 36, remove the entire page, that entire table of symbols and components, and below that they try this activity, material, copper, aluminium, remove that activity also. So entire page you remove, 36, put a big cross on that page. Page number 37, remove the experimental proof of Ohm's law. That part you remove entirely. Experimental proof of Ohm's law, remove it entirely. So on page number 37, you only have to study conductors and insulators. Turn your page, page number 38. You have to remove solved example number 1 and 3. You can see on page number 38 there are 4 solved examples. Out of 4 you have to remove 1 and 3, and towards the bottom of the page you have using ICT, remove that. Using ICT you have to remove that. Page number 39 there is no reduction. Page number 40, a pink colored small block, do you know, remove that. There are 2 blocks, one is green colored and one is do you know block. Remove the do you know block. That left side block will remain untouched. You have to study that. Page number 41, both the blocks you have to remove. On the top, do you know, and towards the end you have, even if any one of the several bulbs connected in parallel, both the blocks you remove on that page. So on page number 41, you only have to study the resistors in parallel derivation. Other 2 blocks you have to remove. Page number 42, there is no reduction. Page number 43, the first and the third block is to be removed. First block is domestic electrical connections and third block precautions to be taken while using electricity. Remove both the blocks. The middle block fuse wire you have to just go through. It is not removed out. So on page number 43, the first block domestic electrical connections and the third block precautions to be taken while using electricity, you have to remove both the blocks. Page number 45, towards the end of the textual exercise, again you have a project. Ask an electrician to explain to you that project you have to remove. We move to chapter number 4, measurement of matter, page number 48. On the top you have an activity, page number 46. On the top you have can you recall, remove that activity. 3 questions are there. Page number 47, you have the blue colored block, an introduction to scientist. Introduction about Antoine Lavoisier, remove that. Page number 47, an introduction to scientist, blue colored block, you remove the entire block. Page number 48, remove that big block on the top. Verification of the law of constant proportion, that entire blue block you have to remove. And below the block you have an activity can you recall. 2 questions are there. From which experiments, what was it discovered, both the questions you have to remove. So on page number 48, the blue block on the top, that entire big block along with the activity below it, can you recall, you remove it. Page number 49, towards the end of the page you have an activity research, and below research you have the table of elements with their atomic mass. Remove everything. From research up to the table you have to remove everything. Turn your page, page number 5050. On this page, first you have to remove the activity on the top. Can you tell? 3 questions are there. Then below that you have to leave one paragraph. Below that you have the paragraph of molecules of elements and compounds. Remove that paragraph. So on this page there are 2 reductions. One is the can you tell activity on the top and the paragraph of molecules of elements and compounds. Page number 51, be very careful. Page number 51, you can see the first activity, try this. 4 questions are there. Remove that activity. Weigh mass of a single grains of tur dal. All the 4 questions you have to remove. Below that you have think about it activity. Remove that activity. How much of wheat, jowar and bajra seed, remove that. And below that you have can you tell activity. 3 questions are there. Remove that activity also. So on this page only the first activity, use your brain power, that you have to do. Try this, think about it, and can you tell. All the 3 activities you have to remove. Turn your page, page number 52. Towards the end you have always remember 3 points. Remove that block. Page number 52. Towards the end you have always remember 3 points are there. Remove that block. Page number 53. On the top you have can you recall. Remove that activity. 2 questions are there. Then on the same page you have a orange colored block, science capsule. And towards the end you have a yellow colored block, information about the NCL, that is National Chemical Laboratory. Remove that block also. Page number 53. Can you recall? On the top, and science capsule block and information about NCL. Both the blocks you have to remove. Page number 54. Both the blocks you remove, yellow colored. One is always remember and one is research. Both the blocks, other tables and all you have to study. Page number 55. Remove the activity can you tell. Page number 55. You have the activity can you tell. Remove that entire activity along with the paragraph below it. And on the same page you have activity use your brain power, just below it. Remove that activity also. Along with the paragraph, monoatomic radicals such as sodium, copper, all that paragraphs also you have to remove. On the same page towards the end you have using ICT. That block also you have to remove. Page number 56, that entire peach colored block about ions and radicals, remove that entire block. So on this page you have to study the green block on the top. That entire chart of ions and radicals should be removed. Now chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. I will not give the reduction now because this chapter we are going to take in the second term. It is very lengthy. So instead of chapter number 5, I am going to take chapter number 11 for section A. So your portion for section A you will get later on. It will be the first 4 chapters and chapter number 11. So we now move to chapter number 6 from section B, that is classification of plants. Take a note that chapter number 5's reduction you will get in the next term. So section B, classification of plants. Page number 75 you have to remove the yellow block and introduction to scientists. Be quick. Turn your page. Page number 76. On the top you have an activity observe and towards the bottom you have an activity observe and discuss. Remove both the block, both the activities. Page number 76. On the top you have observe activity and towards the end you have observe and discuss. Remove both the activities. Page number 77, towards the end you have an activity use your brain power. Remove that activity. Page number 77, use your brain power. What is the similarity between the plants, that activity. Page number 78, towards the end near angiosperms you have try this activity. Remove that. And on page number 79, the entire chart of observe and verify, that is dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous plants, that distinguish, diagram, everything you have to remove. So on page number 79 only the classification flow chart of kingdom Plantae that you have to study. Chapter number 7, energy flow in an ecosystem. Page number 81, remove the first activity on the top, looking back, all the 3 questions. On the same page in the center you have observe, remove that activity. Observe figure 7.1 and explain that part. And on the same page towards the end you have use your brain power. Explain the food chains of various, that part also you have to remove. So on page number 81 on the top looking back, in the center observe and towards the end use your brain power. All the 3 activities you have to remove. Page number 82, you have the first activity use your brain power. Remove that activity, all the 3 questions. Page number 82, on the top you have the activity use your brain power. All the 3 questions you have to remove. On the same page towards the end you have a block and introduction to scientist. End, towards the end of the page, the pink colored block about the scientist Lindemann. Remove that activity. Page number 83, all the 4 blocks you have to remove. See, 4 blocks are there. One is think about it, one is use your brain power, towards the end again you have use your brain power, and then institutes at work. All the 4 blocks on that page you have to remove. So on page number 83 you only have to study about the energy pyramid. All the 4 other activities you have to remove. All 4 blocks which you can see. First is think about it and use your brain power on the top. Green and blue colored block. Below you have this green colored block. use your brain power, and besides it you have institutes at work, remove all the 4 blocks. Turn your page number 84, there is no reduction. Page number 85, in the center you have a yellow colored box mentioning 2 equations, main processes in the carbon cycle. Yellow colored block, you remove it. Both the equations you don't have to study, and towards the end you have both the blocks you have to remove. One is do you know and the other is think about it. This is green colored, this is yellow colored. Remove all the 3 boxes on that page in simple words. The first box is 2 equations, second box is do you know, and the third one is think about it. So on this page you only have to study the carbon cycle, none other activities you have to do. Turn your page number 86, you have the green colored block in the center, do you know, remove that block. Chapter number 8, useful and harmful microbes. The first, page number 88, you have to remove towards the end of the page, use your brain power, that block, and besides it you have do you know. Remove both the boxes. Page number 88, towards the end you have green colored block, use your brain power, and besides it you have do you know. Both the boxes you have to remove. Page number 89, very top you can see uses of lactobacilli, remove that box, and right below it you have a small activity, research, with 2 questions, remove it. So page number 89, on the top you have uses of lactobacilli, remove that box. Below that you have research activity, remove that activity. Turn your page number 90, you can see the activity about yeast. Bring active dry yeast from the market. All that 3 paragraphs, 3 to 4 paragraphs you have to remove. No activity about yeast we are going to do. Page number 91, remove the first box, that is do you know. After that, besides it you have the activity use your brain power, remove that activity. 3 questions are there. And towards the end you have a green colored box, institutes at work, remove that box. Be very careful. Page number 91, the first block, that is do you know, besides it use your brain power, 3 questions, and towards the end you have institutes at work, remove the 3. And that bioremediation, that activity you have to keep it, that block you don't remove. Turn your page number 92, remove all the 3 boxes. First one is caution box, second is introduction to scientist, and third is wonderful to know. All the 3 boxes you have to remove. Page number 92, all the 3 boxes should be removed. First is the pink colored box of caution, second is the yellow colored block of introduction to scientist, and third one is wonderful to know. All the 3 boxes you remove. Page number 93, towards the end you have a lavender colored box, an introduction to scientist, remove that box. And on page number 94, the entire chart on the top, relief, a sign of relief for you, the table of the spread and prevention of disease, that entire table you have to remove. And below that you have the activity use your brain power, remove that activity also. So on page number 94, towards the end you have collect information, that activity you have to do it. So page number 94, the entire table of the spread and prevention of disease, all that AIDS, hepatitis, influenza, entire table, everything you have to remove. And below that you have use your brain power, 4 questions, all the 4 questions you have to remove. Now we move to chapter number 9, environmental management. Page number 97, 96 there is no reduction. 97 you have the first activity, yellow box, think and discuss, remove that activity. Below that you have the blue colored box, importance of weather in the living world, all the 6 points you have to remove. So on page number 97, yellow colored box and the blue colored box you have to remove. Turn your page number 98, both the boxes you have to remove, institutes at work and using ICT. Only 2 boxes are there on page number 98, both the boxes you have to remove. Page number 99, a small block is there, always remember, in the center, remove that block. Turn your page number 100, you have the block, do you know, remove that block. Page number 100, 2 boxes are there. One is observe. So observe block, do not remove the first block. Do you know? Remove that block. Page number 101, there is a sign of relief. The entire table of the classification of waste and their source. That entire table you have to remove. From domestic waste up to mining waste. Everything you just remove it out. That entire box only you put a big cross. Turn your page. Page number 102. You have that pink colored box using ICT. Remove that. Page number 103, there is no reduction. Page number 104, on the top you have a table of period required for degradation of waste. Remove that table. And on the same page you have a lavender colored box towards the end, a peep into the past. Remove that block also. So both the blocks on that page you have to remove. First block is the table of period and the second is peep into the past. Remove both the blocks. Page number 105 and 106, there is no reduction. Page number 107, right above the textual exercise you have a small activity, find out. Remove that. Now we come to chapter number 10, ICT, the new direction of progress. Here there is not much of reduction. Page number 108, you have that table in the center. Complete the table. Remove that table. The name of the device is given, computer or laptop, mobile, radio. That table you have to remove. And towards the end you have a small yellow box, find out. Remove that box. So page number 108, you have complete the table and find out. Remove both of them. 109, 110, 111 and 112. All these 4 pages there is no reduction. 113, you have a small reduction towards the end of the page, yellow colored box, institutes at work. Remove that box. This much is the reduction for chapter number 10. As I have told you, 11th chapter also will be included in the first term and 5th will be removed. So I will give you the reduction for chapter number 11. Reflection of light, page number 115. 115, the activity on the top, can you recall all the 2 questions and both the paragraphs below it you have to remove. The first paragraph is about light is an agent which gives such info, that block, and below that light reflects the differently from the various, that paragraph, both the paragraphs you just remove it out. So you have to study that part, mirrors and types of mirrors, and towards the end you have a small activity. Can you recall an introduction to scientist, one yellow colored box, that also you have to remove. Be very careful. Page number 115. Can you recall both the questions, both the paragraphs below it, then in the center an introduction to scientist, yellow box, and towards the end of the page can you recall. All this you have to remove. Page number 116. Towards the end you have a small activity. Can you tell? 2 questions are there. Remove it. Page number 117, you have try this activity in the center. Use your brain power, you have to do it. Below that you have try this activity. That entire activity you remove. That table is there, the diagram 11.3, everything you remove. So you have to start studying from statement. That statement is given, you can see. In order to see the full image, from there you have to study. Turn your page. Page number 118, 119, there is no reduction. 120, 121, there is no reduction. 122, there is no reduction. 123. Towards the end, you have an activity, try this. Both A and B you have to remove. The topic is divergence and convergence of light. So under that, try this activity, both A and B you have to remove. Turn your page, page number 124, there is no reduction. Page number 125, on the top you have a blue block, use of concave and convex mirrors. Remove that block. Page number 125, on the top you have a blue colored box which contains uses of concave and convex mirrors. Remove that entire block. And on page number 127, on the top you have a lavender colored block, always remember. Remove that block also. Page number 127, always remember, on the top you can remove it. With this I have given you the reduction for all the chapters, chapter number 1 to 11. which are there for your first term. Only the 5th chapter is kept behind, because that chapter I have told you it will not come in the first term. So reduction for the chapters in the second term will be given to you after the Diwali vacation. So looking at the reduction, whatever part I have covered, you will just go through that part and just mark a big cross in your notebooks if you have written that solved examples or any questions based on the topics which have been removed out. Don't worry about that, nothing will be asked on that part in the exam. With this, I wind up with our today's session. Coming Monday, the chapter number 10 ICT will be taken up by Varsha teacher from computer department. So before attending that session, kindly go through the chapter. Thank you, dear children.